everyone, I'm Adi and today we are going to open Xbox One. So it's Xbox and there are already 3 games on it: Minecraft, Fortnite, and I don't know, Sea of, yeah, I don't know that last one. So let's just open it. This there, this, then there's the cable. Here's a cable. And one more cable. Oh, and this is the batteries, the instructions, and the remote. The remote. The remote. Okay. In here we have really the Xbox, the heavy part. So we should put the batteries first. Yeah, here's the on button, I guess. This is the cable, and yeah, more cables here. Where will I put the batteries? Oh, I don't see anywhere to put the batteries.